Are you tired of struggling with a CPAP machine? Do you have untreated sleep apnea? Are you a heavy snorer, constantly tired and irritable? Do you have weight gain, high blood pressure, or heart problems? Are you keeping your spouse awake at night because of your heavy snoring? Can people hear you snoring through a door or a ceiling? I have a solution to help you breathe at night and help you stop snoring so you and your partner can sleep in the same room again. Better sleep for a better marriage. I custom designed an oral appliance to treat your sleep apnea as an alternative to a bulky CPAP. Click the link below to watch my short video and learn how I can make a device for you. I'm Dr. Alicia Hardy, and I've been helping patients for over 15 years. I use the latest in digital technology to make an oral appliance specifically for you so you can sleep comfortably through the night without bulky tubes. My office is a one-stop shop. We not only treat sleep apnea, but if you snore and don't have sleep apnea but you need a snore appliance, we make those too. If you wake up during the night gasping for air, let us help you. You may think you're sleeping, but your body is actually forcing you awake multiple times during the night every time you stop breathing. If it has become difficult for you to manage your weight or your blood pressure, or if you've had a heart attack or a stroke, or if you just have heart problems, please click the link below to watch this short video and learn how a simple oral appliance can help you with your systemic illnesses. Are you suffering from depression, anxiety, or even TMJ pain? Is your sleep apnea causing sleep bruxism or grinding that's making you break your teeth? Don't suffer in silence. Click the link below so that you can learn more. We use the latest in medical technology to improve your health and improve your life. Did you know that snoring can make your partner sick? Secondhand snoring can cause systemic illnesses for your partner because they can't get a good night's sleep. Get back to sleeping in the same room again. Regain your energy, reduce headaches, control your blood pressure and your weight. Are you tired of hearing that CPAP is your only option? Everyone with sleep apnea doesn't need a CPAP, and everyone who snores doesn't have sleep apnea. Let us make the best oral appliance for you, whether it's a sleep apnea appliance to help you stop snoring and treat your sleep apnea, or whether it's a snore appliance so you and your partner can stop suffering. Snoring is not normal. Snoring and sleep apnea can cause a significant decline in your health, and sleep apnea can even kill you. You don't have to go to multiple labs or doctor's offices for help. With a simple at-home sleep test, we can digitally design the best device for you. Again, we use the latest in digital technology to create custom devices for you. I was recently featured on the Wellness Hour television show to educate people more on treating sleep disordered breathing. I work with numerous medical doctors, and I can work alongside your medical doctor to develop a plan to help you improve your overall health. Click the link below, watch the short video to learn how you can get back to better sleep and better health.